Good morning, everybody. It is Friday. I forgot to show you guys, they also sent me my Michelle mug in the package. But look how adorable all of these red mugs look. So cute.
Hi, everyone. I wake up and I sleep good and I come and I eat cereal and my goldfish. Is it drop my goldfish?
Zia dropped your goldfish.
Yeah.
Zia's being shy.
I like it, Mackie.
Let's see.
No, she like it shy. Come on.
It looks pretty crispy outside. That tree has red berries. I'm about to go cut some for my Christmas tree. I'm just kidding. But look at that moss. I love those trees so much. Anyway, I have no idea. It's Friday. I have no idea what we're going to do when hubby gets home from work. I don't know, guys. It's just going to be one of those days. Hey guys, so it is about 11:30. I'm about to make some shrimp tacos for myself. Hubby's at work. So while this is cooling a little bit, I just want to show you guys what I have cut up. So I have jalapenos, a lime, avocados. I forgot to buy cilantro, and Trader Joe's didn't have the sauce that I put onto the shrimp, so I just used the 21 Salute garlic powder, a little bit of pepper, and I'm just going to throw the shrimp in here. And hopefully there's another pan to warm up my tortillas. This for the shrimp, and this for my tortillas. Okay, hold on, baby. So I'm gonna just put this on low. This is on a medium. Just picked up the peeled, deveined, and tail on. I already put the seasoning in here, so I'm just gonna throw them in there. But it is going to just cook up. This is like the super easiest recipe ever to make, and it's so yummy. You can top it with anything you want. I am also going to put the shredded cabbage on top of it, and yeah, I'll show you guys the finishing product. Okay, so it's the corn tortilla, the shrimp, the cabbage, the lime, avocado, and jalapenos. So I made myself 2 of them, and I cannot wait to dig in. To tell you guys that as far as us extending here, we just got word that we will be relocating to a different state after the 1st. So, which is okay because we will get to go home and spend Christmas with the family. so sad because I'll only get to enjoy my tree up until the 20th, because then we have to get rid of it. So that's going to be a sad situation. But I just wanted to share with you guys what is going on, because I know a lot of you guys are confused as to why we're living in a hotel, blah, 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 blah. I always leave it down in the description box to just give you like a little rundown of why we put everything in storage and things like that. But we are going to be going down to Texas for Christmas. So we will be there for 2 weeks. I believe it's like 2 weeks or more. I don't know. But then we will be driving. Guess where we're going? We will be in California. So that will be up until, I think, April. So you guys, time to get stuff shipped back home to his parents' house so that they can put it in storage, because we are not going to be able to fit everything in the car unless, yeah, we're not going to be able to fit anything in the car. Also, I wanted to let you guys know that they did not let him return that little Christmas tree. The lady at the front register was being so rude and told him that he couldn't return it, that they only return it if things are damaged. And he's like, so you're trying to tell me that I can like walk out of here, damage the tree, and then bring it back in, and then you guys will return it because it's damaged? So anyway, needless to say, we have that Christmas tree still in the trunk. We're probably just gonna donate it somewhere. I did want to put it in the girls' room, but since we pretty much are leaving on the 21st, so we have like 2 weeks left here, and then we'll be in Texas, spend the holidays with family, and then we'll be on the road again to California. And that's how they've been all day, you guys. Oh my god, I've just gone on and on and on, so let me just stop there.